ground beef. Let's open it up. Looks beautiful. Put it in a plate. Plov spice, Italian herbs. Let's mix everything together. Now add the egg. Mix everything with the egg. Add breadcrumbs in it to give it a nice texture to hold everything together. Hot pan, a splash of olive oil. Cut the bread into buns and of course toast. Look at this, make a nice patty. Beautiful patty on the hot pan. Cut tomatoes. Cut the onions. Throw in the onions there with the patty. Cut the cheese. Now flip the patty. Beautiful. Flip the onions as well. Nicely. Looks delicious, smells delicious. Cheese goes on top. Spice up the onions also with Plov spice. Cover with lid. Turn off the heat. Nice mayo and some mustard goes for our special sauce. Nice and simple. Parsley for extra flavor. Now let's build it, the sandwich, with our tomatoes. Go first. Now look at that, cheese is melted perfectly. Service. Let's carefully place our patty on top. Look at that, beautiful. Onions on top of the patty with the melted cheese. All of them. Organize them nicely. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. From all sides. That's the delicious egg cheeseburger. So yummy. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.